This
Yes.
conference will now be recorded.
Meeting है.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rajni Jain. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, I like to welcome you all to this online meeting. Please take a moment to review the guidelines for this online meeting posted in the chat window. I now request the moderator, Mr. Lakshmipati, to introduce the speaker and start the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rajini. Good morning, everyone. I am Lakshmipati. I will be moderating this meeting. Agricultureinformation.com likes to welcome to this meeting Mr. Japinder Wadhawan, Managing Director of Raftaar Professional Engineering Company, Ludhiana, Punjab. Mr. Japinder Wadhawan will be speaking on the topic how I started my farm machinery business. Okay. Now, I now request the speaker to begin. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. This is my startup, sir, which I have started in 2018. So, in last 2 years, we have worked on different agriculture machineries. We started from the farm machinery, and parallel, we have received some requirements from the farmer sides related to processing machinery. Then we have decided to make the machinery, customized machinery in the processing work for them. So I'm just showing you our work which we have done in past few years. This is myself, Japinder. So this present to these all this work, we have also participated in the international exhibitions at Delhi, as well as in our state farm melas, kisan melas. So we are trying to interact with the farmers directly, and also trying to give them the appropriate solutions, which would be a cost effective. So our main startup is providing a speed to an agriculture by implementing the concept, innovative ideas, and customized machineries. So, in this, the small self-help groups and the FPOs, FPC, they can come to us. They also come to us and they share their problems that may be related to sugarcane processing, that may be related to turmeric processing, that may be avla processing, which I will show you in further slides. So our teamwork is just to make their cost-effective machinery, as well as to reduce the labor cost and adopting the new processes, methods, and technologies. So we always see there are a lot of farmers who take a very tough decision of suicide due to the big loans and other things. This is just, we personally believe, this is just due to the unavailability of the low-cost machineries, because after planting, weeding, and harvesting, there is the next task for them to produce the another crop. So there is a 1 month, 2 month logging gap where they can do the processing for their produce, as well as their children can also do those things. But in Punjab, we have seen a lot of youngsters going to abroad. So they are not taking a proper support, and they are the youngsters. Lot of youngsters are not supporting their farm parents, and due to this there is a degradation of the farming sector. So we are just trying to help our farmers by giving the cost effective solutions. These are the few points we have highlighted where we have already connected with the farmers That may be a northeast, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and there we have made some WhatsApp groups so they can share their problems. It is not necessary they have to meet us physically. They can share their problems on the through telephonic conversation or the online video conference, and so we provide them the solutions to them. Uh, with the farmers parallel to this, we also trying to share our experience and skills with the students who are doing work in the farming agriculture practices. And for that, if someone is doing PhD or the masters or a graduation, they want to develop the prototype. So in that case, we help them to make proper machine, prototype, because they have a concept, but they don't have sometimes they don't have the knowledge for which kind of material where they can use. So according to my experience, like I'm a mechanical engineer, so I can understand the different grades, how they work, and how they can resist the wearing properties and other things. So we just guide them to what kind of material they can use, they can select. So and also try to fabricate the machinery according to them. These are the few customized machineries which we have made. First is Indian Roseberry Avla processing machine. This is for punching, then decoring for deseeding machine, then sugar coating machine, then jaggery processing frames, turmeric processing plant, vegetable paste making machine, weeders, sugarcane, maize, cotton, autoclaves for machine processing, tomato grading machinery, and other grading machinery as well, like apricot. But so this is a problem shared. This was a problem shared by some jaggery processing units with us. Uh, they have uh, uh, my voice is audible. Hello. Okay. So this is a jaggery processing frame. So we have made according to the farmer's requirement. So they were facing earlier the problem related to these frames, like they were using the frame strips by giving some numbers, and that number strip can put in that on only that slot for making for assembling this frame. So we have made this frame with the stainless steel 304 grade, food grade, then a very precise machining, then these strips can be assembled in any slots, so that the proper timing for making this frame reduce. And the main function of this frame is to make a cubes, like if someone want to make the sugarcane jaggery, like uh, toffee shape or the biscuit shape or burfi shape. So they can make those things efficiently, and it consumes very less time for that. And they are doing my farmers are doing a great work in this field, and they are getting good earning and good return of investment against their work. This is a turmeric steam cooking method, steam cooker. So we have also developed the steam processing plant, sorry, turmeric processing plant. In this, uh, mainly five things to be used during processing. First is harvesting from the field, then boiling, then drying, then polishing, then grinding. So we have made this Sardarji on the right side, extreme right. He shared his problem that he want this kind of steamer which can boil 350 kg of turmeric per batch, and he want a continuous batch system steamer, and he was trying to buy uh, from Tamil Nadu. Then from Maharashtra, Sangli, and he just said the transportation cost is very high, and according to his need, the material the product he was getting from the Maharashtra, that was costly. So we have just made in Punjab at our workstation. Then we got very good results, and he was also happy with our work. And this was not painted because we just that time we just want to see if any kind of problem overcome, then we can able to observe those things. Then we have made dehydration system, then polishing from like 100 kg to 1000 kg, then grinding, pulverization, like for turmeric we have to repeat 2 times in a grinder, then it can be pulverized properly and homogeneously. So we can make this whole setup customized, because we are working for the small farmers. The small farmers, they really need these kind of machines. But the problem is the big manufacturer, they are selling these machines for the for the big farmers, but the small and marginal farmers, they are not getting these things. So the biggest threat to these things, the China is like focusing on the small and marginal farmers. So we also have to do these things, and I would also say the newcomers like students, youngsters, they also have to participate in these kind of work, and they have to build the machinery like this, so that they can help our farmers, street farmers. Then we have made weeders. We have this manual weeder and tractor-based weeder. Power weeder is under process. Those are facing some problem, but the tractor-based weeder, we have signed MOU with the CSIR, CMERI, Durgapur, for commercializing this machinery for the wide row crops like maize, cotton, sugarcane, and the other like which are showing between the 15 to 24-inch line distance. Then this is a pulverizer for turmeric and all kind of masalas. So this we have made, and like this can also be made between we can made between that like for 25 kg per hour, 50 kg per hour, 100 kg per hour, according to the requirement. This was our first project which we have made. Uh, this was shared by one of my farmer at Sirsa, Sardar Harpal Singh Garewal. So he just he was a farmer with whom I met with the first time, and I was really impressed with his work and with his experiences, because he is a senior citizen, and he's doing a very good work in the organic farming. From his experiences, I just came to know the problems, the what kind of problems farmers are facing, and what kind of machineries they are looking for. Then I just also was trying to meet with the different farmers by visiting their farms and to understand what kind of their requirements. So I was just looking for these kind of things. Then I just like I just talked with my team, and we have decided to take this startup. And this the specialization of this rotavator, I must say, normally the rotavators are available only with the blade like combination of L or C. A farmer can choose L-type blade or C-type blade. That farmer which given this order to us, in according to him, the J-type blade he want, and he want all three types of combinations he want to use. Like for the J-type, he can be used for the vegetables because he was doing a farming of vegetables, and the J-type he believed, and personally we have studied, it is very good and effective for the cultivation of the vegetables because of it do more aeration in the soil. This is our ongoing projects, and we are looking for the farmers as well as the new startups who want to do a manufacturing in the food processing line. So we can make a machinery for them like Avla processing plant, uh, like punching, decoring, autoclaves for blanching, and uh, the other like juice making machines and other things. Then packaging solution, the tomato processing plant, the foods grading machines, and our biggest project is bull driven oil ghani, because normally during this three bill conspiracy, then farmers are saying tractor is their son. But personally, we believe a bull is a family member of a farmer. So we just want in spite of bull on the road, it should be in the farm of the farmers, and they can use it for the this kind of driving this kind of oil ghanis, and also there are a lot of works which farmer can do with the bulls. So these are few of the highlights like of the international exhibitions. So on right side there was like people from the Bhutan. They have visited our stall, and on bottom right, and there are government people from the Andhra. On extreme left, on top side, the green machine that is a precision planter. This we also have developed, but we have just stopped for manufacturing it because we just want, with our experience, we came to know we have to develop the machinery which would be a less than 1 lakh, so that the farmers can approach those kind of machines. Uh, this is a turmeric processing plant in first picture, which we have installed at Bihar. There we have installed steaming unit, that pulverization, and the second one is polisher. The farmer requirement was to polish 1,000 kg turmeric per batch, so we have made according to that. So this is a talk on the Air India radio and the meetings, national table on the stubble burning at Delhi. And this is also a very good machine for new startup. If someone having no big budget, they can start this kind of manufacturing work. So with this machine, we can rewind the aluminum foil for making this roti wrapping packaging. So this machine cost is approx 85,000. In Delhi, people are getting with the 1,25,000. So we are trying to giving these kind of machines to the students as well for doing their startup. And with these kind of machines, they can earn their return of investment, like within 3 months they can get the machine cost. Now, we all have to do, You have to start using the food products manufactured by our Indian farmers. And if your soul says you should do something for India, then share the problem of the farmers. I personally say to related to equipment, personalized tools, and customized tools. Please get the farmers' requirement, what kind of problems they are getting, so that I'm not good in all things, but we are trying. We have experienced a lot of failures as well, but we are trying. Our team is positive. We are sure we will do a lot of things for our farmers. There are a lot of projects we are working on, and which I have not shared right now. So when I get the results out of that, then I will definitely happy to share with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Japinder, for your presentation. I now request the participants to ask their questions. We'll also be posting the speaker's contact details in the chat window, so that if we don't have time to take up all the questions, you can contact the speakers separately after the meeting. Now let's move on to the question round. The first question from the participants. Yes, who will want to ask the first question, please? Mr. Japinder, can you please remove the screen?
Wait a second. Wait a second. Yes. Please wait a second, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Okay. We'll go for the question round, Mr. Japinder. Okay, the first question is from Mr. Pa Mati.
Good morning. Just I joined lately. I watch your video full. But I have one power tiller. I want to have seed drill, small
Okay.
truck like that. I want a 5 acres land. I want to do it everything myself. Self reliance on my power tiller. So what do you have for that?
Oh, you have a power tiller, na?
Yes, with a rotavator.
What do you want, sir?
I want a seed drill, so small plow like, and a small transportable truck.
Okay.
To make it use.
I got it, sir.
Okay.
I got it. I mean, you are having a power tiller with you, and you want a small attachments for the plantation, like sowing seeds, as well as you want to do. You can use a sprayer on with that, because before that, before commenting on it, I just want please elaborate what kind of power tiller you have. Engine HP. Which
engine is
like
12,
what is the
12
HP?
Okay, engine HP is a
12
12. It's a
HP.
Kubota
Okay.
original
The
Thailand
PTO.
engine. PTO is not there. It's only a rotor attached to the
So
belt. Like. It's an indicated gearbox.
The PTO would be yes, I know that PTO would be also available on the back side of the tiller. PTO power transmission shaft. So we can provide small planters assembly or planter kit for that, as well as if you want to spray, if you want to do spraying with that same engine like of tiller, you can do that.
What about the front
As well
attachment
as
for the
weeding, you are doing. I mean, in the simple words, I can say we can make small attachments for that, so that it will be helpful for doing the farming by yourself.
Okay, so you can do it. So I can write to you by email. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Next question. Participant,
Hello.
next question. Yes, Ms. Rao.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, Japinder, for the nice presentation. I am from Chennai. My name is Deka Rao. I have a question. Do you do machines for pouch packing, like, I'm not talking about spices. I'm talking about spices which is in small sachet, like 5 gram, 10 gram. Do you have any machines for that? Like shampoos, no, tear it and use it, and this thing, like shampoo size sachets in food, for food.
Ma'am, right now, we have not built that machine, but yes, there are machinery available in the market. There are machinery
Okay.
available in the market. Uh, we can make like normally the people small units are using band sealers for packaging these things, and there are pouch packing machines are available. If that is costly, then not this year, like in next year we can definitely make it, because the
Yeah,
three
I
four
want a
months we
custom
have
build.
made
Yeah,
projects.
I want custom made,
Yes,
and I
we
don't
can.
want that.
Yes, we
What's a
can. We can.
pouch sealing
We
machine? All that I've seen. It's like a huge for the people with a big industry and all. Mine is a setup is a small, a small
yes,
set,
yes.
so which I can do it. It's not that I
We
have. Yeah,
ma'am,
yeah.
may I know your production capacity, like you're looking for
No,
production
see, this is
capacity,
a
like
whole.
how many
No, no, no.
pouch you want?
Yeah, maybe like it's like it depends on the order as and when I get. I maybe let's say like I don't know, 100 or 200 per day. It is a huge
Ma'am, your
thing, but it's not
voice.
that regular. It's not a regular thing. It's not a daily process for me. It's when I get the order, I have to do it. They're not asking. They see. I have seen machines for bigger pouches, not for the smaller. It's all for shampoos and this thing. I've been pizza type of seasoning thing in plastic pouches. I wanted.
Okay, 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 okay. So you don't want to you're not looking for the continuous type machine.
No,
Semi-continuous
no, no,
will be
no,
okay for
no.
you,
Yeah,
and
as and one ad hoc basis, I'm going to make.
continuous. Okay. Ma'am, please, you can email me and we can talk further on this. And definitely we can provide, because we are also making the vacuum packaging machine as well. And we are
Okay.
trying for that. In machinery available in the market that starts from like for 1 kg packaging, that is starts
Mm,
from 35,000, and it goes
mm.
like more than 1 lakh. So we are
Okay.
trying
Okay.
to make we have developed, and but the
Okay.
confirmation from the our farmer side, that is pending. Then we can say we got good results in that, and the
Mm.
cost will be approx 18 to 19,000.
Okay. I'll get in touch with you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Rajesh? Dr.
Thank you.
Rajesh to ask the next question.
Good morning, sir, Lakshmipati sir, and thank you.
Very good
Good morning,
morning.
Japinder Wadhawan. This is Dr. Rajesh. It was a very nice presentation. I really appreciate your concern towards farmers and agriculture startups. And your last slide
Thank you,
said that
sir.
now what you have to do, if your soul says that you should do something for India, it is running in our mind for a very long time. And me as well as my team people want to do something very similar. My question is here, the concept you have showed in processing turmeric, can same concept be used in processing fine end products for stevia, moringa, ashwagandha and tulsi? Can you help in designing machine for processing all these products in same processing place or unit? And another question is, and also can you guide us to process end product with all type of the machineries which will be running continuously? And our production capacity plantation, let's say growing at a integrated farming at a size of 35 acres. So when we, as integrated cropping, when we
Okay.
start growing, then we need to process all these things: turmeric, moringa, tulsi, ashwagandha, and stevia. If there is any possibility for designing a
Okay.
machine, a continuous machine, where we will be able to get the end product.
Sir, first of all, I must want to say I have not very good experience in the processing of mentha, tulsi, and ashwagandha. And even when the farmer came to us for the turmeric processing, that time I don't have any idea about that. But I was sure about my skills that we can make according to his experience, his want. Like he was saying, he shared his experience with us. He is doing boiling, he is doing this thing. We have made machinery according to the his requirement. In parallel to this, I must say, in mentha and tulsi and ashwagandha, the main extraction method, like for oil extraction method, that would be a same for turmeric as well. Okay, and but the other things like in moringa, there in turmeric, the thing is that we have to do blanching, because just because of the microorganisms and the other things which grow continuously after harvesting as well, and so that we just have to do some deaccelerate those things, so that the farmer can store their turmeric in their store, as well as the shelf life also increase with that. Uh, but sir, I definitely say, if you will share your experience as well as the requirement, we can definitely make the machine for like these five things: turmeric, moringa, mentha, tulsi, and ashwagandha.
Right. We will definitely
Hello.
contact you at the time, sir. And one more last question I want to ask: can there is
Yes,
any
sir.
design you can help for processing the end product of honey in a clean environment, like mixing and getting the
Can you
product,
please
and then
repeat, sir? Yes, yes.
uh, this is for the honey.
Normally, sir, actually, yes, honey cleaning is a very important factor in the bee farming, because if
Yes.
we want to do a packaging, the cleaning is a must. So there are different normally the this cleaning at work at 60 degree, like 50 to 60 degree. Uh, Normally there are different honey makes some crystals at the bottom side when we stored in a container. The crystals in the winter season. So according to my knowledge, that is high than the melting temperature of the honey. Then it can be filtered wax from that, and yes, we can make that machine. If hello,
Yeah. Yes, sir. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
he is
hello.
listening.
You're listening.
That in market machinery starts from 85,000, 1,25,000, and more according to the capacity. So yes, we can make those kind of things.
Okay, sir. Very good thing. And we will contact you either through the mobile as well
One
as
more
through
thing,
the.
sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
one more thing in the bee farming is challenging, that is the bee pollen, drying bee pollen, dehydration. So we are also looking. Sir, there is some disturbance. Close the mic.
Mr. Kostop, please
Hello.
mute your mic. I will call you. Mr. Kostop, yes, please. Thank you. Yeah,
Thank you.
please
Thank
go
you.
ahead.
So in bee pollen drying is also a very good for the research work. So we are in next 3 4 months. We are right now we are dryer for bee pollen as well, and it will definitely increase their income if we'll succeed in this work. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. We will
Thank
definitely
you.
contact you, and
Okay.
we are very happy for your innovative designs.
Thank you. Mr. Harish Patil to ask the
Thank
next
you, sir.
question. Mr. Harish
Hello.
Patil.
Japinder ji, namaste. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Namaskar, sir.
Yeah.
Namaskar, sir.
Yeah. Sir, मैं कर्नाटक से हूँ. Actually, I am an Arakanut grower. Just now, after seeing your turmeric processing plant, just actually we are in a convention method. We are
Yes, sir.
what we are processing Arakanut, no, sir. It will take nearly to 3 to 4 hours, which we boil in a water in a copper vessel, sir. So nowadays, I came to know that even
Which
in
thing,
an
sir? Can you please repeat?
hello, yeah, I am an Arakanut grower,
Sir,
sir.
which crop you're speaking?
Arakanut.
I didn't understand, sir.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
You got it, Mr.
Hello.
Japinder?
I didn't
Arakanut.
understand. Sorry. No.
जितेंद्र जी अरेका नट
No.
मतलब सुपारी.
Supari.
Okay, Supari. Okay. Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
Okay,
Okay,
I
go
got
ahead,
it,
Mr.
sir.
Harish.
हाँ जी.
या सर, जो हम अरेकानट जो है ना सर, वो छील के जो डीहस्किंग करते हैं ना सर, उसका भी एक प्रोसेस रहता है. उसका आजकल
De-husking.
मार्केट
Yes.
में मशीन, या डीहस्किंग. After dehusking, we have
Yes,
to
sir.
again
Less.
to
Yes.
do the process like boiling. So for the boiling process, right now we are doing in a conventional
Boiling.
method like
Okay.
we have to boil it. So for boiling, we are using the copper
Okay.
vessels in which we are boiling in the water for nearly 3 to 4 hours to get
Okay.
get boiled and to get it a good color. So after that, we used to dry it. So this is the
At
process for
what temperature? At what temperature?
temperature will be
Boiling.
around 50 to 60 degree temperature.
50 to 60 degree. Are you
Yes,
sure,
sir.
sir? You are doing boiling?
Yeah, sir.
No. Sir, 50 to 60 degree? No. At
Yes.
50 to 60 degree, you are doing boiling.
Yes, sir. In the water. We have to boil them in the water.
I think this is just a tempering. Okay, fine.
So
Okay.
what will be the ideal temperature? What do you think, sir, Japinder, sir? What will be the ideal temperature to do the boiling? Because actually we doesn't know the actual temperature.
No,
Since we are doing it in a
no,
convention method.
No. Sir, actually, this is a very, if I am not wrong, in a water, if we want to do boiling, that would be more than 100 degrees Celsius.
Okay, maybe.
Then
Maybe because
steam.
we are farming
Okay.
level, we don't have much idea about it.
Normally, sir, actually, I personally, we personally believe there are. Sir, please switch off the mic, please. There is some disturbance. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Actually,
Mr. Keshav, please mute your mic. I'll call you out.
farmers.
Okay.
Actually, sir, farmer from given us opportunity for making this turmeric like 500 kg per batch. And that time I asked, he visited my plant and as well as the earlier plant we have. And I was just asking why for the seed selection, like for turmeric seed selection, he was just saying a lot of scientists are saying that hybrid seeds are more effective and those are giving more curcumin according to the research papers. Then I just understand those things and I asked him what kind of boiling you are doing, what kind of processing work you are doing. He just said he is boiling his turmeric like we boil that potato in a water by dipping method. Okay, then he just said he is doing polishing in the open sun drying area, open sunlight. Then he was just sharing the experience. I just told him your curcumin at the first stage is gone in a water. When you dip and you are doing a boiling work, your curcumin is gone. Okay, the remaining is gone in during the dehydration system. So the main thing is that we are not we are doing processing work. That is a great thing. The traditional practices we have to do, but the thing is that we don't have to left our traditional seeds varieties. They are good, but the thing is that the new technologies or new seeds agriculture universities are making, but we don't have to forget our traditional seeds. We can get proper results out of it. Only the condition is we have to learn, we have to understand what kind of work processing we are doing, right? Like this example you are saying, the temperature you are boiling at 550 to 60 degree, which is not correct. Okay, so these
Okay.
are some problems we have to understand, and we can get succeed good results in all such things. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And
Mr.
we can
Kaustubh,
make
to ask the
sir
next question.
dehulling sir dehulling yes, dehulling dehusking of supari is also a challenging work. If there is any kind of requirement, we can make, because we must say acroad, dehulling of the apricot. There are a lot of things, so we can work on it. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I will be in touch with you, sir, for more
Thank you.
informations. Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr.
Thank you so
Kaustubh,
much.
next question
Thank you
is
so
from
much.
Mr. Kaustubh. Mr. Kaustubh Vaishnav. He is not responding. Okay, Mr. Keshav. Mr. Keshav, you have a question.
Sir, actually, I was trying to. No, I don't have anything now. I'll contact him later.
Hello.
Okay, Mr. Kaustubh,
Thank you,
Mr.
sir.
Japinder, Mr.
Hello.
Okay, let's go to Mr. Gururaja now.
Yes, sir.
Good
Mr.
morning, Mr.
Gururaja,
Japan.
sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Lakshmipati, and good morning, Mr.
Good morning,
Japan.
sir.
You're
It's a
welcome.
wonderful presentation.
Thank you, sir. Good morning. Very good.
I appreciate your innovative techniques in
Thank you, sir.
devising the machineries. I would like to know what processing machines you have for gooseberry, amla.
Okay, great. Yes, yes, yes. Sir, actually, we have did last year. We have started work on it, and one ladies small self-help group. They came to us, and they shared their problems for de-seeding the gooseberry. Then we just said we will made this machine for them, and we have made a manual machine. So machineries are available. This is not a new, like if we say we have done any kind of innovation, any new thing. We just studied the present technologies and other things, and then we are making a simple work technologies on it. So we have made a small hand tool for them, and with that, the cost of that machine was 35. Oh, sorry, 3,000. And earlier they were doing decoring 80 kg per day, 80 kg per day. Then after using our simple machine, they were doing 230 kg per day. Hello,
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
hello.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
he
hear
is
you.
listening.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
So if we in this thing, we just decided if someone want to scale up their work capacity, we can make the automatic this automatic this decoring machine, as well as punching machine for gooseberry, for small farmers or groups, like the production capacity 50 kg per hour, like that. That would be effective. I also got two orders for that recently. Then autoclaves are available. Autoclaves we are making, which should be used after punching. Then the containers, stainless steel containers, treatment tanks where it have to dip, and this SS stainless steel vats with the steering system for uh, for stirring, for sugar mixing and all. Then yes, we can make, sir, all these things. Dehydration system is also there. We already working on it, and we have also did MOU with the Punjab Agriculture University for dehydration system, solar drying.
Do you have
And
an album?
after that, the paste making or the juice making machines. Yes, sir.
Do you have an album of your machines so
Hello.
that it can be certificated? Album?
Uh, Definitely, sir. I will show. Instead of showing the album, I will share the demo with you. You can take my number.
Your
Day
number
by
is
day, we
shared in
are
the
making the
your
machine. We will.
Mr. Japinder, your number and email have been already shared in the chat window.
Okay. I'll
Yes,
keep in
yes.
touch.
Otherwise, my company's website is www.raftargroup.com.
Okay.
The
Thank you,
Thank you.
Japinder.
details are available there.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Japinder, let me go to the chat window for a few questions. I want to read out the questions one by one. Mr. VG has got this question. Can you give a little more details about aluminum coil rewinding machine and its business application?
That is, sir, that is not an aluminum coil. That is a aluminum foil. Normally we use aluminum foil for wrapping roti, for like in different applications like burger, fast food and all. The people are using aluminum foil, the thin sheet, okay, in the
Okay.
microns. It may be used in your state as well. So there is a lot of huge consumption for this, and this is consumable item. And with the small investment, if anybody want to start the business, they can do. This is just to rewind, I'm repeating, the 100 200 kg uh, roll come in the market, and the manufacturer of this foil rolls, they get those 200 kg roll from the market. He would just doing the rewinding and packaging and the marketing of this thing to the market. If somebody doing this machine capacity per hour is per day, sorry, 300 kg, 300 rolls can made in a day. If someone is getting 10 rupees margin per roll, he can get 3000. He can earn 3000 out of it. If we will give 100 rupees to the machine operator, and the 1 HP motor we have used for driving whole such things, so the I must say only the 1000 rupees maximum 1000 rupees he has to consume, and he will get 2000 rupees profit out of it.
Okay, thank
This
you.
is a minimum.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Siddhappa and
Thank you.
Mr. Anantaram both want to know whether you can get them a coconut harvesting. I mean, Mr. Siddhappa wants to have a coconut harvesting machine. He is in Karnataka. And Mr. Anantaram wants to
Sir,
have
coconut.
a coconut peeling machine.
Okay. Okay. Sir, coconut harvesting machines are already made by the uh, made by Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Like manual type, man can climb up easily with that. If someone want with tractor based machine up to that, like the normally maybe the tree height would be 30 to 40, 30 feet or 25 feet approx. So if we want machine specialized, like which can be operated with the tractor, and I have seen there are machinery in the abroad for harvesting the orange apples from the like 12 feet height, 10 feet height. So if those kind of arm we want, which can be operated hydraulically, we can make it. But the requirement should be clear from the customer side first. I'm not sure what kind of machine he is asking for.
Okay. Mr. Anantaram wants to have a coconut peeling machine.
So coconut peeling for
Peeling. Yes, sir.
for
Yeah.
deshelling or something else.
De-husking maybe.
Dehusking.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sir, if there is a need, definitely we can work on it. Definitely, we can
Okay,
work
thank
on
you.
it. He must have to talk personally on this because this is not a one-man show. I have to talk with my team as well. Definitely, if the challenge we will get, we will definitely try to give the 100% results.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for answering all those questions. Now, questions from participants. Any more questions, participants? Mr. Kosto wants to again ask a question. Yes, Mr. Kosto.
Sir, sir, parallel to all these questions, me and my team must want to receive that we will be succeed in our this task.
I don't. Yes, Mr. Japinder, can you please repeat?
I'm just saying, with the parallel ones, we really need blessings of all your audience that
Okay,
me and my team succeed in our vision, in our task, which we are doing right now.
right. Okay, Mr. Kostop.
Blessings are must.
Mr. Kostop. Yes, Mr. Kostop.
Voice is not audible, sir.
Okay, he's not responding. Okay. Any other questions, participants? All right. I presume we have now completed the question round.
Sir,
I like to. Yes, Mr.
Someone
Japinder.
asking a question yes, someone asking question on the jaggery. I don't know
Jagri,
the
you already
message was
answered, I suppose.
displayed
I,
on
I,
the.
I, I suppose you have already answered it, no? You showed the machine also, no?
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
That's
Okay,
why.
yes, yes.
Anyway, if you can please repeat the answer, you can go ahead, please. You can answer that question also.
Yes, in the jaggery processing, I must say there are a lot of work. There are a lot of innovations we have to do. Like we have done already for giving the proper shape, like cube or burfi, etc. We can make the customized frame so that a farmer or any processing unit minimum 10 to 20 rupees extra per kg they can earn, and within 2-3 months the frame cost can be returned to the manufacturer due to these profits. Then the frames are lifetime for them because this is made by the stainless steel and it never wear out. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for answering that question. Now, I'll presume Mr. Ajit Chowgule to ask the next question. Yes, Mr. Ajit has got another question. Yes, Mr. Ajit.
Japin Singh ji, can you hear me?
Yeah,
मेरी आवाज आ
okay.
रही है?
Yes, sir.
Can
Good
you hear me?
morning.
Good
Yes,
morning,
yes.
sir. मेरा
Hanji,
क्वेश्चन है
sir, I can hear you.
अच्छा मेरा क्वेश्चन है सर एक्चुअली आई कम
Yeah.
फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र यहाँ पे हमारे गन्ना का ज्यादा रहता है तो कैन यू आपके पास कोई एक मशीन है कि वेयर वी कैन हैव अ वीट कटर ग्रास कटिंग एंड देन आल्सो शुगर केन कटर आल्सो जैसे अभी मार्केट में हाथ
Yes, we have, sir. Sir, if you are like doing this sugarcane related farming, we have bud makers like manual bud maker and mechanical like motorized bud making machine because there are different methods for sowing the seeds for this sugarcane. One is you can plant the sugarcane pieces like 8 inch, 10 inch. The main requirement per meter is 12 buds are required according to my knowledge. So second thing is you can save your sugarcane by using seedlings of buds.
Yeah.
The first is this.
Now, apart from seedling method, because we have different types. यहाँ पर जैसा है कि जैसे we are
That is
taking the hello.
That is a
Apart
tractor
from
operated, sir. Hello.
we want this. It is a. We have seen somewhere on the YouTube, sir, that it comes with a small cutter and all the thing. You have to change the blades, and we can cut the grass, weeds, also, and the same can be used for cutting the sugarcane also. Apart from this seedling methods,
So, you want a hand tool, sir? Sir, you want a hand tool for that?
Yes, sir.
For cleaning
Yes, sir.
purpose?
Yes, sir. Cutting
We
and
can
cleaning
give you a
purpose.
solution. We can wait, sir.
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay,
I'll
cutting and cleaning of sugarcane.
Yeah, and
Sure, sir,
secondly,
sure.
hello.
Hand tool. Okay, done. Thank you.
Regarding
Yes.
jaggery, I have one question, sir. Hello.
Yeah, please
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead.
So jaggery,
Please
what
ask,
we
sir.
get it here, jaggery we are getting in lumps or the tubes, what you suggested. Apart from that, can you suggest me any machinery, make the jaggery in a granular form, like the sugar, just like sugar. It should be
Just like
crunchy and
sugar. Okay, okay,
just like sugar, it should be the
okay.
granular and
Fine. No, okay. That is not a jaggery, sir. That is we khand. मतलब in Punjab, I don't know what you call there. That comes like fine sugar.
yes, sir. Actually, what happened?
Hello.
हमारे यहाँ पे we are making jaggery powder also, but jaggery powder what हमको problem
There
आती है
is actually jaggery powder. So jaggery powder actually, when jaggery powder, how you are making? That is the first question. How you are making a jaggery powder? You are making from the jaggery, or
yeah,
you
we
are
are
making directly in
drying it,
pan?
drying, crushing, and secondly one more system है
Sir,
atomizer में come up. लेकिन वो जो पाउडर बनते हैं सर, it is a amorphous, just like हवा से है, moisture खींचने के बाद it becomes a this thing. I mean इसका पानी हो जाता है. So that should not be there. It should be in a crunchy and granular form. Can you suggest any machinery for that?
Okay. Yes, sir, definitely. You can be in touch. We are working with these things because jaggery powder drying system is also a huge challenge for everyone. So
Yes,
we can work on it, and the granular forms you are making, sir. In this temperature, definitely when you are doing processing on this sugarcane juice. So the temperature plays a very good role, very effective role on that. Because if you are making jaggery cubes, or the temperature is required approx 112 to 114 degrees Celsius. If you
exactly
are
correct. Yeah.
going beyond to that, approx more than 120 degree, then that jaggery converted into that sugar you are looking for.
I see. So we have to increase the temperature before
Yes.
pouring.
Then yes. You by increasing the temperature from normally are you using the temperature meters with you for
Yes,
checking
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
temperature for making jaggery?
We are temperature meter. We are temperature meter.
At
Based
what
on temperature
temperature?
meter, pardon?
At
We are
what
we are
temperature
getting
your jaggery completed?
110 to 115.
Okay, done. ठीक है. Normally it is optimized between 112 to 15.
correct. Yeah.
Okay, then you can do one thing. You can go you can do 1 or 2 trials. You can go beyond 120°, then see what would be the results you get.
So can you get a granules?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can get. You can get. Such, we will work on it to guide you. Definitely, we will get good results. Thank you. We have a good farmers
Okay.
here with us in a team because we are not engineer. We are farmers. We belong to farmers. So farmers are in our team. We work collaboratively. You can also be a part of
Oh, yes, sir.
serve our farmers. You can also help us. Thank you.
Wait.
Thank you, Mr. Ajit. Mr. Any question? Mr. Anjani, you want to ask anything? Mr. Anjani? All right. Mr. Japinder, thanks for answering all those questions. Agricultureinformation.com wishes
Thank
you
you.
to go great heights in your services to the farming, especially your stress to keep traditional farming is most welcome. That was a very impressive part in your talk,
Yes.
and I believe the farmers should follow that. And then your focus on indigeneity in the farming is also very much welcome. And agricultureinformation.com wishes you and your team all the very best, and it will soon even get associated with you also in your business. And God bless you also. Now I now
Thank you,
request the
sir.
organizer. Yes, I now request the organizer of the meeting to please close the meeting. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, sir.
Lakshmipati. I like to thank the speaker, Mr. Japinder Wadhawan, for taking the time to talk with us. I also like to thank all the participants for their time. The meeting will now be closed.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank
You
you.
are welcome, Mr. Japinder.
And please be in touch. Please be in touch. We will definitely work together.
Sure,
Sure.
sure, sure. Thank you.
And a happy World Food Day to all.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
Thank you, sir.